In the years of World War II, a dark and unforgiving shadow loomed over Europe as Nazi Germany's brutal campaign extended deep into the heart of the Soviet Union. Within this conflict, the story of Russian female soldiers, courageous and resilient, stands as a poignant testament to human endurance under unimaginable circumstances. The Nazi regime's treatment of these women exemplified the heights of inhumanity reached during these harrowing times. Captured Russian female soldiers, many of whom held vital roles on the front lines, were subjected to unbearable conditions. They were often scoffed at and degraded because the Nazis perceived them as an affront to their deeply held prejudices. These women, who had risked everything to defend their homeland, found themselves stripped of their dignity and humanity. They faced harsh interrogations, physical abuse, and were often used as propaganda tools. Conditions in the camps were dire. Overcrowded, unsanitary, and devoid of basic necessities, these environments were designed to break the spirit and bodies of their captives. Female soldiers, like their male counterparts, endured starvation, disease, and exposure to the elements. Despite this, they held on to the hope of liberation and the strength found in solidarity with their fellow prisoners. For many of these women, their capture was not only a personal calamity, but a betrayal of the cause they so fervently believed in. These captured soldiers exemplified defiance and courage, often organizing within the camps to resist their captors in whatever ways they could. The Nazi regime's propaganda sought to depict these women as inferior, yet their persistent resilience revealed the truth of their unwavering courage and determination. Today, as we look back on these dark periods of history, the stories of these brave women serve as powerful reminders of both the capacity for cruelty and the strength of the human spirit under duress. In remembering their suffering and valor, we honor the countless untold stories of resilience and defiance in the face of tyranny. Let these narratives guide us in a collective vow, never again to stand silent in the presence of such atrocities. Let us be inspired by their bravery to defend the principles of justice and humanity for generations to come.